Saw the repair video on this new audio IC, rewire the mic socket because it had been wired to something else, and then we discovered it's not as sensitive as most of these. It's only doing 1 microvolt, which is about where you are with a Uniden. The whole beauty of these is they're very sensitive. They're too sensitive for their own good, but not so with this one. On the other hand, it's doing 4 watts and it's a 3.5 watt set, so how bonkers. Let's see whether Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, Dodge, I'll plug in my extension speaker.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready. Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we don't have a tone control.
Roger all that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station, and it's definitely closed.
Yeah, we are a bit later today.
Passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger.
Got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
We've only got you at Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Elftone ELCB6000, which is a great GT868, with a full 4 watt output. This is the kind of radio that was shown on the BBC TV show Terry and June when Terry bought the CB radio.
Yep, roger that, all received.
And I'm on standard replacement line. It's unusual these do 4 watts, but they're actually a 3.5 watt radio.
Roger that. We're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing, and there was a deer at the side of the road again. Well, at least it wasn't in the middle of the road like it was last time.
I don't know, they're looking out for you. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Passing the Kelby turn over. No, we're not. Passing the Greyleys turn. Already passed the Kelby turn.
Yeah, got you at the Greyleys turn. No, I can't say it.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point from on this Elftone ELCB6000 from 1981. And it's in the full force output, going 1.84 amps. Go on to low power, and I will do that. It's 280 milliwatts. 280 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are, back on full power. This is a standard replacement mic, over.
Yeah, roger that. No problems on full power. Had to override the squelch on low power, and you were pretty unreadable, to be fair.
Roger on that. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 137.9 and 143.7.
Roger, that worked quite well for what it is, so thank you very much.
Roger that, 10-10.
Okay.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end today, please, over?
Yep, 137.9 and 143.7.
Roger, that worked quite well for what it is, so thank you very much. 10-10. Okay, so that worked better than I anticipated, and leaves coming back on trees, not bothered about the low power. But there we are, we'll go to our base station. I have just got a Chizer microphone, which is the factory original type for this radio. I borrowed this off another set just so we can do a comparison. We'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the Elftone ELCB6000 with the standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station. We're on full power at 4 watts. We're on to low power, just a hum test. There we are on low power, testing 1, 2, 3, and back to full power. So now we'll go over to the factory original type of mic. And now testing with the factory original type of mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back onto low power. There we are on low power. Back to full power. So thank you for watching. ELCB6000